Hello everyone, I am Shiva Juliet Ansari and I am teaching in KK Saraswati Nagar School, KK English School Saraswati Nagar. Today we are going to learn standard 5th subject. We are going to learn EVS 2 standard 5th lesson. Name is Stone Tools. In that first point, types and forms of tools according to the types of task. Okay, as you know, as from the title of the lesson, you will get to know we are going to learn about Stone Age and stone tools. At the time of Stone Age, at the time of Stone Age, people were using stone tools. But before that, we'll start one more thing. I want to put forward here. Any glittering cheese, as in children, while we are seeing it is buried into the soil. As we observe, it is buried into the soil and it is glittering. Okay, it is shining. So at that time we get a curiosity in our mind. What is that? What was that? What is that? So as in I will get this curiosity in our mind, we'll try to dig out that thing. So we'll start digging out with our finger, with our hand. But it is because so it is buried in very deep. It is not possible to remove from hand. We'll take another sticks, wooden sticks, small sticks to pick out. But it is not happening. Then we'll start searching pointed stone to dig out. In this manner, maybe in history also they have started using stones as a tool. But there is some factors which is very important to find out and to choose tools. Okay, what are those factors we are going to learn? And we are going to learn in this chapter tools which they have made according to their task. Okay, according to the demand of the task, and so many factors also. Depending here, when we'll see major factors one by one. Okay, first of all, availability of source. Whatever, like we are living, the people who are living in Stone Age, there is a availability of source, or main source was what? Main source was stone. That's why they have used stone. Okay, after Stone Age, there is many metals were available. Many metals were available, and which is used in a different period after Stone Age. But we are learning about a Stone Age. We are going to learn about stone tools and Stone Age. So availability of source, as you know, stone is available. That's why they have used stones. After that, minimal use of time and energy. Obviously, we were choosing the tools according to which reduce our time to performing task. Means very fast. We have to choose the tool. They have chosen a tool which is work very fast. So reduce their time requirement, or their time, minimize their time, and what? Energy. Obviously, the tool which is very helpful, not requiring so much energy, that kind of tool we are going to use. Okay, after that, maximum efficiency. Obviously, any tool which we are nowadays also choosing, simple knife, if we have to buy it, at that time we have to do what? We have to just think about it, what? Minimum efficiency means how much the tool or the knife, any knife or chopper which we are buying from mall, from stores. So we are just going to see the efficiency, the characteristic, whether the knife is very sharp, or it is good to be holding, it is like comfortable to be hold and to be for the cutting. we are selecting those kind of tools. Same here, at that time also in Stone Age we require minimum efficiency of the tool by choosing stone. Okay, stone tools accordingly. After that, skill of handling tools which acquire through the practice. Obviously, just taking our tools or using tool, it's not a just saying it is good for us. We should know the skill to use of tool, any tool like simple tool. We must know how to use knife, simple knife. Nowadays, so many other tools were coming in the market, which is require some kind of skill to use it, right? Like fruit cutters, like vegetable cutters. So we require skill how to operate, how to use, and which kind of material it is accepting, that tool is accepting and performing. These things we were considering nowadays also. At that time also similar thing is going on. We require practice of using tools. As I can show you a picture, we should at least know how to hold the tools, stone hold. See how the here in a diagram is shown how they were handling and how they were holding a tool. Okay, how they were holding a tool to use. So everything we required first to practice how to use tools. Okay, these major factors means major four factors is very important to perform, to use tools and to performing a task with the help of tool. That's all for this video. Thank you so much. We're going to continue this lesson in next video also with a new point.